It's Truck and SUV month at the Laurel Auto Group.
Every dealership, all month long.
You'll get the best prices, the best selection, and the highest trade-in values.
And don't forget, when you buy a new vehicle at the Laurel Auto Group, you get our Laurel for Life lifetime powertrain warranty.
Laurel Auto Group has 7 dealerships, 10 brands, and over 1,000 vehicles.
So go to laureldeals.com today and shop our enormous selection.
Don't overpay for your next truck or SUV.
Get your best deal right here at a Laurel Auto Group dealership. And whatever you do,
Don't miss this one.